Running a faceless YouTube channel, I depend a lot on AI-generated visuals to craft engaging content that resonates with my audience. Images are a powerful tool to catch attention and increase interaction, which ultimately drives more views and subscribers. There are plenty of AI image generators out there, but they come with two major issues. First, they're rarely fully free. Second, most of the free platforms come with daily usage limits. Does this sound familiar? Sick of constantly creating new email accounts just to get past those restrictions? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that lets you generate stunning AI images, just like Midjourney, absolutely free and without any limits. So stick around, because I'm going to guide you through using this tool step by step. Don't forget to subscribe, relax, and let's get started. The tool I'm showing you today is called Fooocus. It's a completely free, cloud-based Google Colab tool, which means you don't need a powerful computer to use it. You can even run it from your phone. First, open your web browser and search for Fooocus Google Colab. Click on the link to get started. When you land on the page, you'll see an interface like this. From here, click the Connect button to link it to the GPU. Once it's connected, hit the Play button to run the code. It'll take a moment, so just be patient. Once it's ready, click the Gradio link and it'll take you to the actual image generation interface. From there, click on Advanced and you'll see a panel where you can adjust the settings for your images. This is also where you'll input your prompt to create the AI images. You can choose from a variety of styles available on the platform. For this example, I went with Fooocus V2, Sharp, Enhance, and Photography, since I wanted the image to have a realistic, movie-like feel. After that, I just clicked Generate and let the magic unfold. A few minutes later, boom, here are the results. They look great to me, but of course, if you're not happy with the outcome, you can always hit Generate again until you get the perfect image for your project. Once you're satisfied, just click the download icon at the top to save the image. I also tested another prompt and ended up with these stunning images for a movie I'm working on. You can really experiment with different styles in the Styles panel to find the perfect fit for your needs. I recommend trying out Fooocus Cinematic. Watch how one prompt can create totally different looks. Take a look at these images. Aren't they realistic and breathtaking? I'm honestly in love with this tool, and the best part is, it's completely free. You can generate as many images as you want without any limits. And that's a wrap, everyone. You've now got access to a powerful free image generator where you can create virtually any image you want without restrictions. Keep in mind though, that AI isn't perfect. It might take a bit of fine-tuning with the settings and prompts to get the exact image you're aiming for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I really appreciate you watching, and as always, keep pushing forward.